Hey guys, Thunder E here, and yes, I finally got to check out Sony's brand new Xperia Z2. The Z2 comes in a plethora of colors. This device has a nice color range to it, and also it comes in with a slightly redesigned look with it. Now it's got Gorilla Glass 5, both front and back, really comfortable to hold, and it's powered by the Snapdragon 845 processor. Now there are a lot of features this device has. First of all, the display is a HDR display, so you can watch HDR content. 5.7 inches, it is a 1080p display, but it will also upscale your SD content to HDR, so you can actually watch and enjoy those quite well. In the very front, again, you've got front-firing stereo speakers, which are fantastic, so you're gonna get and enjoy a lot of rich audio with this. But Sony's also added something new with it's called what it calls S-Force, basically haptic feedback here, and they've got a new haptic engine, which is pretty cool. It's very hard to describe, but it's something when you experience, you get the idea of what it is. So while you're watching content on there, you can actually feel vibrations that give you just more of a haptic or say natural feel to sound, which is actually pretty cool. You can actually customize that too, but it also works really well while you're gaming. So when you're going through different gameplay elements, the sound reacts, of course, to the vibration, those kind of things. So even when you're watching an action movie, you can actually get the feel of the different action sequences that go around. So that's also a really nice new feature built into this device. Now it doesn't have a headphone jack, which makes me bummed out because you know I like my headphones, but it does support aptX HD and LDAC, of course, so you can get some really nice premium Bluetooth audio. You also have a built-in DAC and a dongle for you, so when you're using this device with maybe wired headphones, you can definitely use that as well. Now, moving to the rear of the device, you've got a 19 megapixel motion eye camera. This camera does a lot of cool features here. It does allows you to take multiple images and stitch them together to give you one of the best images possible. It's also got super slow-mo at 960 frames per second. That's really ridiculous, which means you can capture those moments quite well on this camera. It's also got the 3D mapping, which Sony's had before, but really enhanced, so you can actually go ahead and map your features and also create emojis or icons with them. And this, of course, is through some of the feature sets with the 845 with the Spectra DSP. So you've got a lot of things that are built in there. You've got wireless charging as well, and the device also is really nice and simple to hold. There's a fingerprint sensor at the back, as you can see clearly on the device, and they have a compact version. So for those who don't want the 5.7 inch, there is a 5-inch compact version of the Xperia XZ2 with all the same features, except of course the haptic engine is not built in. Overall, this is a very interesting device. We'd like to see what Sony brings to the table when we spend more time with the Xperia Z2 to see how it actually functions, the camera functionality. You've also got gigabit LTE, audio, all those things brought in together to see how well this actually does. So if you have any questions or any comments, let me know. Otherwise, don't forget to like and share this video, favorite this video, subscribe to the channel, and always enjoy your entertainment.